I'm going to use this couch and share a simple glute exercise that most people over 50 have never even heard of. And this is one of the movements I use every single day with my clients at my fitness studio because it's safe, has a great range of movement, and is very easy to do. And the best bit, you can even do it at home because glute strength becomes essential after the age of 40 because strong glutes support your hips, your lower back, improve your balance, and help protect your knees from unnecessary strain. Not to mention, it can contribute to better posture and fewer aches and pains overall. If you haven't met yet, I'm Gavin. I co-own New Zealand's only fitness studio for people over the age of 40, and fitness coaching is all I do all day long. Now, before we jump in, I want you to jump up on your feet and I want you to do exactly how I do. You see, most people can't even activate their glutes at all. So when it comes to training them, it becomes very, very difficult. I want you to stand up. I want you to point your toes straight towards me like this. And I want you to clench your butt cheeks together as tight as you can, all right? Now, once you got that feeling, what I want you to do is turn out your toes like a pigeon. Now squeeze your glutes again. You get a much tighter contraction, a much better activation by doing that. So I want you to remember that when we do the exercise. Now, what I want you to do, okay, on your couch is basically just sit on the floor this way, and your upper back is gonna sit on the padded bits just on our back there, okay? Now, there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can either have your feet a little bit further forward and hit more of your hamstrings, but you still get a lot of glute activation as well, or you can bring them a little bit closer. Now what I want you to do is put your feet closer together. Hopefully you can see that they're together, and drop your knees out. That's going to give you the same feeling that you had when you turn out your toes, all right? Again, you can even turn your toes out if you want. I just find in this position, feet straight are a little bit easier to manage, right? So as you go in this way, you're going to put your back on the couch, and now you can see I've got a really nice deep bend within my hips and my torso. This is the first part. This is the range of movement comes in. So when I lift up my glutes really high, I've got a big way to travel, and that is great for range of movement. You see, normal glute bridges, if we do them on the floor this way, only have a small range of movement. So this way you get way more done, okay? Better for mobility, better for glute activation and everything else. So feet together, upper back on the couch this way, drop the knees out, and as you squeeze up, really squeeze the glutes together. The other thing that you get, which I love about this, you get a big stretch on your quads at the same time, because a lot of us have really tight quads. And then you're going to hold for a second, really squeeze the glutes, slowly drop it back down that way, come straight back up, and slowly lower it back down. Now for me, I prefer to go a little bit further forward, okay? It works my hamstrings a little bit better. Drop the knees out, lift up, big squeeze in the glutes, and slowly drop it back down. Come back up and drop it back down. Now while I have you, if you are looking for a complete strength plan designed for people over 40, there's a download in the description which is free. It's been downloaded close to 8,000 times now, and some really fantastic feedback about this free program. So go into the links and grab yourself a free program. But do me a favor though, in the comments, tell me you got it, so I know that you've actually downloaded it. With this glute exercise, you can do this a couple of times a week, okay? Ideally, what I'd like you to do is 3 sets, about 12 to 15 reps. And a repetition just means you lower it down, lower it back up. That is 1 rep, okay? So you did that 15 times, maybe rest 30 seconds, repeat it again, and you get the idea. Do 3 sets. You can do that a couple of times a week, all right? But it actually fits better within a whole strength program, which is what that free download is all about. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave another glute exercise in the top corner there. So go over, check that one out, and I'll see you over there.